Yo, what's up guys, it's Mckoy here, the first beauty fact. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about zipper scratch. Alright, so welcome back guys to my channel. Okay, so before we start, on top of that zipper scratch that I've seen in the comment section, I also noticed that there's a lot of you guys requesting robot voice. I don't know if you mean robot voice as
I am a robot. Is this the robot voice that you were talking about? If this is the one, comment them down below. And if not, please let me know too.
yun ba yun? Please be more specific because there's a lot of robot voice on YouTube right now. Okay, so I'm gonna speak in Taglish once again, and I really do apologize if some of you guys won't be able to understand what I'm about to say. So, zipper scratch. Ngayon, ang zipper scratch contains two kinds of technique. But mainly, ang zipper scratch ay the zipper itself. If you don't yet know how to do the zipper, I really do suggest that you check out my description box. I placed there the link for the zipper itself. So I already made that tutorial ready for you guys to watch, and after you learn that, come back here. Oh, and by the way, before you watch that tutorial, you might want also to learn how to do the crab scratch, kasi yun yung isa sa mga basic concept ng zipper scratch. Alam niyo yung crab scratch kapag nagaganyan kayo, 'di ba? Tapos you are trying to breathe or suck some air. Parang hinihigop niyo yung toko toko to, toko 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 to. Kapag inwards, maging sound niya ay parang Now, for in-depth details about crab scratch, yun, in-explain ko doon kung paano yung the way higupin yung hangin and the way na i-position yung bibig nyo dito sa kamay na to, nang nakaganito. Yeah? So, but for now, yun, visit those two tutorials. Nilagay ko yun lahat sa description box. So, may mga link doon. And pagkatapos nyo matuto nun, come back here and malamang nakabalik na kayo dito. Alright. So, it's very simple. So, assuming that you already know how to do the zipper scratch, I mean, assuming that you already know how to do the zipper, and you already know the basic concept of crab scratch, na yung parang ganito. So, let's remove the hand. Ang ititira lang natin yung posisyon ng bibig na nakaganito, na parang naka-zipper yung posisyon. And then, yung thought na hinihigop nyo ang toko-toko-to, toko-toko-toko-to. Outwards yun ha. Kapag inwards, again, mas madali siyang gawin kapag nakasara ang inyong ipin. So, try to do it. Mamaya na yung zipper. Doon muna po, focus muna tayo doon sa alright? So, yeah, try to do it. Alright, malamang nakuha nyo na yun agad. Ang lupet, ang bilis. So, we are going to combine the zipper and then yung ang magiging tunog niya ay ganito. Now, Try to repeat it over and over again hanggang sa masanay ang inyong bibig. Sa sobrang lagay nyo ng pressure sa bibig nyo dahil dyan sa zipper na technique nyo dyan, medyo mangangalay ang inyong mga bibig. Pero normal lang yon. Just keep on doing it. Ang focus nyo ngayon is kapag nakuha nyo na yung basic concept or nakuha nyo na yung idea na i-combine yung zipper at yung which is yung sound is kapag nakuha nyo na yan, yung magiging objective nyo or yung magiging next step nyo is kung paano siya mapapabilis. Diba yung scratch, yung pattern niya is parang yan yung basic pattern, diba? So ganun din yung mangyayari sa zipper scratch. So for now, just do the then as you progress, pabilis siya ng pabilis. And from slow, it will sound like slow nga, diba? Gets? Pattern na pwede nyong pagpraktisan. Yung ginamit ko to dati nung 2011 ko ata na video. Basta check nyo dun sa baba. Nakaputi pa ako nun Payat pa ako nun. So, baka gusto nyo makita yung freestyle ko dun. So, ito yung basic pattern. Gets? So, I hope na may natutunan kayo ngayong araw sa akin. And if you learned something from me today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Share this with your friends para matuto din sila kung paano gawin to. And yeah, like this video. If you have other requests, before I release my next reaction video, nga pala, napalitan na yung pangalan. So, pwede ko nang palitan. So, I changed it from Mckoy Beatbox Tutorials. I changed it already to Mckoy TV. So, yep. It is now Mckoy TV. So, I'm gonna see you soon on my next reaction video or on my next tutorial video. Thank you guys for your support. Malapit na tayo sa 2,000 subscribers. I really love the progression. I really love the communication between you and me. So, maraming salamat. Peace, bro.